Okay, y'all. So the original plan was to take the handle off, jiggle it around, and pop open to manually unlock the car. But obviously that didn't work. That did not work. My sister's car, which is a Toyota, is totally different from my Mercedes-Benz. We don't know what we're doing. So I ended up calling a locksmith. Nobody will quote me at this point because they're like, we don't know what we're getting ourselves into. So the first guy called, he said 160. He was like, I'm gonna have to reprogram and unlock the car that way. And I'm just like, I don't have 160. I got 160, but I don't want to pay 160. But anyway, he said he wouldn't come down. I was like, sir, can you do 120? He was like, no, ma'am. So okay, we here. Called around to some more people, and the other guy won't even give me a quote. He was like, I'm not giving you a quote till I get there. I gotta see what we're doing. But I'm like, it's simple. I just need somebody to pop the trunk. But they like, if you can get in the car but you can't pop the trunk, obviously it's something else going on. So we're gonna see when he get here. But Vanessa is putting my handle back on. She's struggling for her life, but we'll see. So now you got a good angle for your mama? For your mama? Yeah? No. Listen, I paid good money for you to be my camera lady. Pay attention. Okay. She made $1, y'all. 7 years old. That's right now. Don't turn it sideways tonight because I'm gonna have to keep flipping it when I go to edit it, and I don't like to edit, so you make it extra work for me. So don't flip it, okay? Thank you, baby.
What is the deal?
Mama said she didn't know what she was doing. Y'all make those. Yes, that's perfect.
Yeah, don't talk about it. You know?
Hold on, sugar. That ain't out the way, baby. It hurt your feelings. It hurt my feelings too. He said 15 minutes. Look at that. Good job, Vanessa. Oh, there you go. That ain't it? Then you got it. Mama?
Yeah.
I know I gotta go tinkle. I need you to focus. You need to pull up Google or Schmoogler how to do this. I'll be back.